ready to ditch public transport and zoom straight to your destination. First things first, download the Uber app from your app store. Once it's installed, open it up. If you don't already have an account, you'll need to sign up, but that's quick and easy. See that big search bar that says where to? Tap on it. This is where you'll tell Uber where you want to go. Start typing in your destination address or the name of a place, like a restaurant or a landmark. As you type, the app will suggest options based on location. Tap the correct destination once you find it. Now, this is where you choose your ride style. You'll see a selection of car types, each with different prices and often features like vehicle size or comfort level. Scroll through the options and pick the one that suits your needs and budget. Notice the fare estimate displayed for each option. It's your guide to the cost. Before you book, the app will likely want to confirm your pickup location, which is often where you are currently located. The app uses your phone's GPS to pinpoint your position, but quickly double-check the map to confirm it's right. If it's not accurate, you can manually adjust it to the correct spot. Everything looking good, take a quick look, review the fare estimate one last time, then tap on the confirm button, and that's it. Uber will now find a driver for you. The app will show you the driver's details and you'll see how long it will take them to arrive. Keep an eye on the app as they get closer, and you're on your way. Uber booking made simple. Now go travel. Go.